VA Declassified, Secrets of the VA Home Loan Benefit. I'm Chris Bettis from Fluent Mortgage, VA Fluently. All right, guys, the power of choice. So first, the story. Imagine, and literally as everybody in the office right now is fall in the weather report, fall in the snow, talking about going boarding, right? Imagine if you wanted to go boarding this weekend and you're going to Bend, okay? You're heading east, you're going hypothetically on Highway 126, right? You're on the path. That's the quickest path to get there, you think. All of a sudden, partway there on the top of the hill or pass, road's closed. Snowed in, closed, shut down. Why do I mention this? The power of choice. So the fake news, right? We battle fake news, we draw truth, and we give you tools to succeed. So the fake news is that banks are better at VA. False. We've already been talking about this forever. Another example, over and over and over in the last month, why if someone had said, banker, not only do we know that they would have gotten higher rates, right? Not only do we know that they would have had more fees than we would have done for a veteran, but here's 4 reasons why you don't want to be stuck on 126 for 3 days on the freeway, right? If you'd picked a broker, because we have choice, we're better. We would have just found a different path, a different road, a different lender to get to Bachelor. We would have dropped down to 58. Yeah, you had a slight delay, but instead of stuck on 126 and never getting aboard, little delay, hit 58, you're in Bend, Bachelor, man, we're hitting some incredible power, you actually got the board, right? What a difference in life. So 4 examples of why brokers are better at VA, in addition to just superior rates. Appraisals, as an example. We had a really funky property in respect to the #1 VA lender at the time who had the best rates in market. They flat out said, no, not only will we not even just give you a reduced value, we won't even look at this property. We don't believe it to be VA approved. Again, if you'd gone bank, if you'd gotten that no, if you'd gotten stuck on 126, you're never gonna get to a boarding. We hate no, we don't accept no, right? So we went to an alternate lender that's incredible at appraisals, slightly worse in rate, so we chose best in rate. Just pivoted, right? We just pivoted to a different path to bank. What did they say? Well, of course we'll accept this. We're not the appraisal experts. That's what the appraiser's for. That's why they get a 4-year degree. That's why they intern for 2 years. That's why they go to use staff standards. That's why they meet VA. He put his license in line and said, this property meets VA standards. Let's go. We got a happily ever after, right? We got some incredible powder on that weekend instead of stuck in a car all weekend on 126. Second appraisal issue that came in. As you know or may not know, COVID, right? Things are weird, interrupted turn times, things are slow. So, like most banks nowadays, one of the advantages on appraisals is they have their own in-house AMC, their own in-house group of their favorite appraisers. Why? It's cheaper, you have a little more control, it's potentially faster, right? We chose that for this veteran, for this borrower. However, because of the uniqueness of the property, because of the location, nobody wanted to do it. So instead of closing next year, transaction's dead, you're not getting your house before Christmas, right? No. The power of choice. That's why you go to a broker. We went to a national AMC, appraisal management company, and we got it done. That veteran's in their home instead of a no. That person got the board, right? In the sickest powder we've had all year. Let's go. Next, income. Again, we chose quality lender who at the moment had the lowest ridiculous interest rate in market. Because we're in a COVID impacted state, we've talked about that in Oregon, went off a weird, super crazy conservative method of analysis. We humbly disagreed. Instead of a no, instead of stuck, instead of pain, instead of happily ever after, we simply pivoted to the #1 income lender, still great rates, happily ever after. Lastly, again, I know there's like, no, that's fake news. I know that we're like, we don't accept that. I know that's not a no. We're going to grind. We're going to battle. We're going to help you get to the finish line. Benefit, not just a loan, right? You're supposed to have your home. You served. This is expected that we get to the finish line. And with quality people, it does more often than any other type of loan. It was the prelim. It was the escrow, some legal stuff, right? lender and escrow and VA couldn't agree on a solution. We're like, fine, doesn't matter. It's legal, it meets VA standards. We simply chose a different escrow company in one case. In another, we chose simply a different lender. But those are examples of where every time, if we had gone only on a single path and you didn't have a choice, if you didn't have a broker, if you didn't have someone skilled, that would have been a no. That you would have been one in four people that get told no every single month, every single day, and say they can't buy. Man, it should be maybe like 1 in 20. 1 in 50 is all right. If you had choice, if you had someone better. All right, guys. Chris Bettis, Fluent Mortgage. Fake news. Banks are better at VA. Truth, brokers are better at VA. Truth is choice gives you better terms. Truth is choice gets you to the finish line more often. And truth is choice gets you better interest rates. All right, guys. Hope you've been blessed this week. Don't forget to go out and bless somebody else and like, subscribe, share. See you soon.